August the 30th, 2017. Cataclysmic floods of epic proportions strikes the East, India, Nepal, and Bangladesh, killing 1,200 people and causing major distresses for over 40 million people across the region. The worst floods in years forced millions from their homes, shut down 18,000 schools, and damaged roads, electric towers, washing away tens of thousands of homes, farmlands, and causing massive landslides. John 13:19. Now I tell you before it come, that when it is come to pass, ye may believe that I am he.
Amen. The Lord is revealing that the east of the eastern part of the eastern hemisphere will be judged severely. The east will be judged severely. The east will be judged severely. India, I nearly forget India. India is coming. Dreadful distress. And one of the reasons is that these countries, not only these, but in other countries in the east, they have begun to lock their doors against the gospel. And as they move out the gospel, then they will move in the tragedy.